Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford stroker engine, 475 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1949 F1 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we got the 408 Ford stroker, brand new timing cover, new balancer, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Painted the red with the brass freeze plugs, fuel pumps on there. Customer requested the braided fuel line. We put the heavy duty braided fuel line, all the AN fittings, gas filter, right up to the carburetor. Proper oil pan, rear sump oil pan for the 1949 F1 truck. Dipstick and tube. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all set. We put the Bellhousing on there. Customer's running a TKX transmission. I installed the external slave cylinder on there, set it all up with the clutch fork, throwout bearing in there, clutch is aligned, all set, high torque mini starter, braided PCV line on there, vacuum fitting installed for easy hookups. You have the aluminum intake manifold on there, MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, Cobra air cleaner. You have the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine pulley kit on there with a self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, 45-degree water neck, thermostats installed, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there, all set. Every engine is run for over 45 minutes, fully tested and set. We have the, you'll see a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. The entire engine will be completely dialed in and set. Timing is set, carburetors adjusted, drop-in ready. So there you have it. This is our 408 Ford 475 horsepower turnkey package engine. Thanks for watching.